Hi students, good morning. Today in this video of English grammar, we are going to study the most important topic of English grammar. The topic is subject-verb agreement, or we can say agreement of the verb with the subject. Students, this topic depends on a main rule or a basic rule that I would like to present before you. The verb of a sentence must agree with its subject in number and person. I would like to repeat. The verb of a sentence must agree with its subject in number and person. Students, इस रूल के अनुसार वर्ब का नंबर ऑब्लिक पर्सन वही होता है जो सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट का रहता है. इसलिए सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ प्लूरल वर्ब का प्रयोग किया जाता है. सेंटेंस में वर्ब की अपनी कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं होती. दैट ऑलवेज डिपेंड्स ऑन अ सब्जेक्ट. सो फॉर दैट वन हमें यह जान लेना आवश्यक है कि किस सब्जेक्ट के साथ या फिर किस सब्जेक्ट के नंबर ऑफ पर्सन के साथ कौन सा वर्ब रखेंगे. फॉर दैट वन स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी सम बेसिक रूल्स in this topic. So first one, I would like to inform you some rules. Number 1, two or more singular nouns or pronouns joined by and require a plural verb. Two or more singular nouns or pronouns joined by and require a plural verb. For example, gold and silver are precious metals. Example number 2, fire and water do not agree. Students, in these two sentences we can say gold and silver. Two singular nouns are connected with and. So they are denoting or are indicating towards a plural subjects. So we have used are as a plural verb. In the second sentence, fire and water. These two singular subjects are connected with and, so we have used do as a plural verb. Students, but if the nouns suggest one idea to the mind or refer to the same person or thing, the verb is singular. That means if they are connected with and but they are suggesting one idea, so their verb will come as a singular. How? Let us see. Time and tide waits for no man or waits for none. The horse and carriage is at the door. So student, time and tide are indicating towards one idea, so we have used singular verb. Students, let's see rule number 2. Words joined to a singular subject by, with, as well as, etc. are parenthetical. We can say ये सब इस कंडीशन में वर्ब अपने पहले वाले सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से आता है. और ये जनरली सिंगुलर बन जाते हैं. द वर्ब शुड देयरफॉर बी पुट इन द सिंगुलर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मेयर विथ हिज काउंसिलर्स इज टू बी प्रेजेंट. The mayor with his councillors is to be present. One more example. The ship with its crew was lost. The ship with its crew was lost. Students, if we go ahead towards rule number 3, we can see here two or more singular subjects connected by or nor require a singular verb. Like, no nook or corner was left unexplored. No nook or corner, though two subjects nook and corner, they are joined with are, so we have used singular verb was. So no nook or corner was left unexplored. Example number 2, our happiness or our sorrow. Our happiness or our sorrow. is largely due to our own actions. Is largely due to our own actions. Students, let's see next rule. When the subjects joined by are or nor are of different persons, the verb agrees with the nearer. How? Let us see. Either he or I am mistaken. Either he or I am mistaken. Next example. Either you or he is mistaken. Either you or he is mistaken. So students, hope that with these examples you have understood this rule. Now we are going to the next rule. Rule number 5. Either, neither, each, everyone, many a must be followed by a singular verb. For example, neither of the two men was very strong. Neither of the two men was very strong. Next example, each of these substances is found in India. Each of these substances is found in India. Now students, let's go to the rule number 6. Two nouns qualified by each or every, even though connected by and, require a singular verb. I want to repeat it. Two nouns qualified by each or every, even though connected by and, require a singular verb. How? Let us see. Every boy and every girl was given a packet of sweets. Every boy and every girl was given a packet of sweets. Students, let's go to the next rules. Some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning take a singular verb. Some nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning take a singular verb. Let us see how. The news is true. The news is true. And the next example, politics was with him the business of his life. Now students, let's see the next rule. Some nouns which are singular in form but plural in meaning take a plural verb. As, for example, according to the present market rate, 12 dozen cost 100 rupees. According to the present market rate, 12 dozen cost 100 rupees. Now students, we shall talk about rule number 9. When the plural noun is a proper name for some single object or some collective unit, it must be followed by a singular verb. Students, यहाँ पर हम एक ऐसे प्रॉपर नेम के बारे में बात करेंगे जो दिखते तो प्लूरल नाउन है या फिर एक कलेक्टिव यूनिट की तरह शो करते हैं, लेकिन इनके साथ हम सिंगुलर वर्ब का यूज करते हैं. जैसे द अरेबियन नाइट्स इज स्टिल अ ग्रेट फेवरेट. द अरेबियन नाइट्स is still a great favorite. Here Arabian Nights is looking like a plural, but it's like some kind of proper name, so we have used a singular verb. Next example, the United States. The United States has a big navy. Here United States is a collection of states, so we have used a singular verb, has. Students, and the last rule is here. When a plural noun denotes some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. For example, 15 minutes is allowed to each speaker. Example number 1. Example number 2, 10 kilometers is a long walk. So students, hope you can learn all the rules and can do some exercise as being given to you as a homework. So for exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable verbs like here. Question number 1. Your father and mother at home. Number 2. He and I, fill in the blanks, playing. Number 3. Silver as well as cotton, space, fallen in price. Next, neither food nor water, space, to be found there. Next, every one of the prisons, space, full. Next, many a man, space, done so. Next, the wages of sin, space, death. Next, a good man and useful citizen, space, passed away. The next, each of the suspected men, space, arrested. And the last one is for you, 90 rupees, space, too much for this bag. So students, hope you can do all the questions properly.